tap in with the merch. Moves and nephew, tap in with Humble Kid members. You know?
You guys talking about Humble Kid members, man. I got a shirt on, man. He got mine on, so we promoting today. Y'all see what's going on. So yeah.
Me, I want what's coming.
Oh boy. One of those, huh? Good God. Good. Come on, bro. Woo. I'm dirty. Good Lord. Dang. What the hell they had with that?
Come on, bro. Like, man, I can't do worth getting the fix, bro. Like, let me know, man.
Dang, all the windows.
He ain't nowhere near in sight. That nigga all the way in Indiana somewhere.
Dang.
Shut up, bro.
What they hit with? They had a bet?
What the fuck you hit this shit with, bro?
Good God. The light. It had to be a bet, look at that. It had to be a bet, yo. And that mean them windows, bro. Look at that shit.
Damn, look, she ain't hit the body, though.
Nah, she ain't hit the body, they got the window.
Hit the mirrors and windows.
Shit, that's a bet hit. Look at them marks.
That's a bet.
Look at that shit right there. That's a bet. Damn. Yeah. Woo. Damn, the boy got hit bad. So you on the Benz now too?
Hmm?
You on that Benz too?
Hell yeah. That shit gotta go. All of it. I might put one, keep that one.
Okay. That bitch hard right here, boy. Just a customer joint right here. That bitch hard, boy. That bitch hard right here. That's a customer joint. I think that's a customer car right here. Yeah, he said he can keep the truck. Tough. Hey, bro, we gotta build a race car, bro.
Hey, we gonna build a race car.
We definitely need some, man.
I'm just trying to slide. I don't want to, I want to slide.
You want to slide? Real talk, you want to slide, he don't want the race.
All I want to do is slide.
So the bulb's about ready.
I want to see how these injectors do very quick.
Lights on. Same motor came out that truck. Same motor. Gotta get the window fixed. Clamp out the inside. Okay, right. Yeah, I already know what's going on there. We ain't even gotta talk about that. I'm gonna cut the mess out of it. Boy, don't copy my style already, bro.
Huh?
The boy don't copy my style.
Yeah, who that?
With my fin, bro. And on the first ride here with the ace on the fin.
Yeah.
The boy wanna got me. Boy, got a 35. Put 8s or 30 on it. I think they 30s though. Nigga jocking my style, bro. So, huh? But we're sitting back watching, man. You ready? Just my style, my dog. Oh yeah, that's the bubble right here, man. Brought him back from the dead. We back from the dead, man.
Oh, you want to get it done today?
This ball already ready, yo. Almost ready. This crib right here. Nah, day. I meant day. It's day. It's day. I got crib in the house. Crib is my box. Yep. It's day. We got a 350 block. I took out of that 1500 pickup truck and slapped it in here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worried about it. I'm gonna put another motor in it. Disney dash and all that in here. I'm just ready to get inside, bro. Start playing with it, getting them seats and stuff out. You feel me? Look at that. Somebody got him. Busting out a dumping bad. Yep. Other than that, I'm the only body joints I really see for real. It's right here, 93. Already piped out. See what I'm saying? Get in here and do some work, man. Well, we get it right. We definitely gonna get it right. Apollo wheels on it. And now we're trying to make sure we got trying to fit the battery up. So we see what this fuel jet they're doing. We didn't even get it though. I gotta get a top for that. We're gonna get it right. Get all that right. We can get it right. I don't know, man. I already got some wheels for it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and dump my wheels off, get some more wheels. I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to go 8s or 30. It depends on whatever one I get the master steering wheel with, bro. Might go 6s, might go 8s, might go 30s. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely gotta get the matching steering wheel though. But before I do all that, I want to make sure everything drive right. Everything running smooth. Get the interior stuff right. Get somebody detail it first, my first step. Yep. Well, yeah, that's it right here though, man. That's it right here. That's the bubble. It's day. That's the bubble. Yep. That's the bubble right here, man. Boy, I've been working on it, man. I ain't even gonna count. I've been working on it. Been a long time coming, but hey, the day is finally getting closer. Finally getting closer, man. Yep, finally getting closer. Damn day. Yeah, I hope it be like this all day, bro.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, and that rain, hold off on that rain so we can have our show tonight. They need to hold off on that rain. That's the pull up. No, it's the light up show tonight.
Light up show tonight?
Yeah. Yep, we gonna see how they gonna be. Behind on Speedway. By Mayflowers. Yeah. We'll be back there. 7 to probably about 12, 1. Yeah. I'm praying to be a good turnout. Tired, low key. I'm tired, man. I think I got too much rest.
You got too much rest?
Mm-hmm. I woke up in the middle of the night and went back to sleep. Went back to sleep from there. I'm ready to see, man. I'm ready to see it, man. I ain't never seen this car started, bro. I seen the motor turn over. Yeah, I never seen this car started running, none of that. So I'm ready to see today, man. I'm ready to see.
Nah, I can't wait.
What he gotta get done?
I get the rear wheel bearing in the back.
Oh, okay. Boy, so that don't sound bad. What about the front of the car? Yep. Put me a little dash in there. I already see that. Yeah, put me a dash in there. Put me a sunroof in there. Alright. Huh? Alright. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Y'all hear it? She turned over. I'm thinking maybe a gas problem now, a fuel problem. We ain't getting that gas floating. That's what it sounds like. Huh?
Big break. Check this out.
Today is the day. I'm excited. It's been a long time coming for this car, bro. Yes, sir. Long time coming. Man, at least the fuel pump coming on. That's a plus. Because now we would have had to change the fuel pump, man. I'm glad that came on. So now we back at the injectors. So we're gonna see what the injectors do. That's all we can do. Just keep playing with again fire. It's just the fuel. We gotta get the fuel down here. Get the fuel from the fuel pump to down here to the motor. That's it. Let's see though. Got gas to the front, yo. That's crazy, yo. Look at this. 70 miles per hour. Dang. 70 miles per hour. That shit crazy. They got full tank. They got full tank, man. Hey, bro. You want to check that Camaro out? My Camaro. I got a LT1 in it.
I got LT1.
Yeah.
96, 94.
Huh?
94.
I don't know. That bitch in the old bottle Camaro.
Wow.
Yeah, it was swap already.
I'll crank right there.
Start all the way up.
I hope. Try. Oh. Yeah, these injectors ain't spraying.
Said they ain't spraying.
No, I'm gonna have to take this whole shit. I'm gonna have to take this apart.
Those ain't spraying, man. Those ain't spraying. I had to get some new ones. Nope. Cause it's the same mold. This the mold we had to spray the stuff in. You see what I'm saying? Ain't that's the reason why we were spraying that stuff in there?
Yeah, so that's the different throttle body though.
Oh, okay.
This one right here, I still got this one. Came with that truck.
That's the one come off trucks. They're gonna take them
so
off.
I'm like, these shit. Oh, yeah. Matter of fact, we don't even know these shits work because that fuel pump was fucked up on that truck. Right. So these shits might be, I don't know, it might be alright. So I'm gonna take these shits out. Try to drop these shits in there. Hopefully these shits work. I'm gonna clean them out anyway.
Okay.
So, yeah, we at on this right now. Thing is, I got the battery now, so I can fuck with it. Y'all do some marrow?
Huh?
Gotta do some marrow.
The just wire everything up.
Oh, wire everything back up, everything.
Mm-hmm. Everything just sitting in there.
Get this one out the way. Special sacrifice shit and everything.
Yeah, we're about to swat injectors out now. About to swat them guys out, man. I don't know, man. We'll see. I tried to get it started for y'all today, man. Might have to come back to this guy. So we come back, everything be ready. Got my good battery and all. Took that battery out of school. Huh? Okay.
Harvest free. These two injectors out right here.
What's that, Allarent?
Yeah. Small.
I might get in the truck.
Go in the truck?
I might. I'll go see. Bro, damn fed up man talking about diving in some. Bro, I ain't turning the music down to 9, bro. Look at him. Fat ass, come on, bro. I can't make this up, bro. Fat ass jamming, boy. Look at him. Fat ass, I can't make this up. Crazy. Damn, my boy, man.
I think Jack K. You want to see like, oh, you playing that music?
Mm-hmm.
Come on in.
Come on, bro. Bro trying to catch her one slipping.
See you trying to dive in?
Bro jamming. Huh? Oh, yeah, man. That's it right here, though, man. I got to change these fuel jobbers now, bro. So we're gonna see how that go. Might just have to get a new one, bro. That's what I'm thinking. You feel me? Instead of doing all that, it's like, I don't know. I had just invest in one. Matter of fact, that's what I might do. Yep. Matter of fact, I might go get one right now. I might go get one right now and bring it back. You feel me? That's what I might do. I don't know if you got to set these things or not, but I'm sure I can go put my hands on one right now. I know I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my picture and everything now so I can let my man know what I got. Yeah, hold on, take a picture 1 minute.
Tap in with the merch, Smooth Nephew, tap in Humble Kid members. You know?
You guys talking about Humble Kids members, man. I got a shirt on, man. He got mine on it, so we promoting today. Y'all see what's going on. But yeah. Yeah, so that's what I probably do, man. I'm gonna go ahead and see how I put my hands on one. Hey, look. I think I might could put my hands on one of them, bro. The fear injector things.
Thought about it?
Yeah, thought about it.
Yeah. See if we can get one. It was already running?
Huh?
It was already running before?
Yeah, it came off of 350.
Wow, yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
If you can find one, shit. I see your time too.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
But these shit's hard to get. This is the difference right here, the TPS system. See how wide this one is? And see, this is a little circle one right here. They only come on the Caprices.
Hold on, let me take a picture of that. Okay. I don't know now, you don't mess me up. I gotta go see now. I gotta go see. They got the circle junk on it. Circle little plug right there. Insert the plug.
Yeah.
I think one of them joints came off a beard.
Good?
Yeah.
Probably work.
Probably work.
It probably work.
One came off a beard, so we're gonna see.
Shit.
So I'm gonna check as soon as I leave here.
This shit ready. Ready to start up and everything. We was ready to put the pieces back together. You feel me? Little small shit.
Yeah.
Small shit. Ready to get in there. I'm gonna try to slap this on there and see if this shit works. I'm gonna take this back with you.
Okay.
Trying to see if that shit work, bro. That shit work. No. But we know this shit run.
Yeah.
Just getting these fucking injectors.
Don't I got something to do with timing too?
Time good. Fuel pump coming on. That was my main concern. Like, when the fuel pump coming on,
Yeah.
these injectors spraying. This shit sparking. So, as soon as I start, I can make this shit run. That's some gas. I can make this shit run.
Hit this shit.
1 hour later.
Man, I think I'm about to sell Iron Man. Bro. As y'all see, my mechanic need all the parts to that Crown Vic in the yard. You see what I'm saying? He need all the windows. He needed all the lights. He need all that. So I'm gonna just sell him the whole car, man. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm heading to the car now and see I know I got all the windows, but I'm gonna see do I got all the lights for him. And yeah, man. So I'm gonna go ahead, get Iron Man out my way, go ahead and sell Iron Man to my mechanic, and we're gonna go from there, man. Yeah, so that means I'm gonna sell him that car. He just take that right there for my total of my cars he building for me, I mean. So, yeah, that's how we gonna do that, man. That's how we gonna play it, man. Alright, we got the title. Let y'all see so y'all won't think I'm cap. You see it right there? It said, hold up, let me get it right. Right there with my hand there, you see it say Ford. Ford Crown Vic. Got the title right here in hand. I ain't signed, he got to sign his own joint though. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get him the title to the car, man. And Iron Man gonna be official a mechanic car, man. Cause like right now the car just sitting there, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get it out my way, man. So I could put something else there and I could be working on another car. You feel me? Cause that car just sitting there in my way. So I'm just go ahead, take the interior out for Eddie. Take the inside out for Eddie and just sell him the car. I'm gonna put that inside, the whole interior inside Eddie. The seats and all the seats, the ceiling, put all that in there. Cause I already know I gotta cut because, you know, my situation in my car. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get that under control. And go ahead and let this man get this car, man. I'll probably drop it off to him also. So I'm gonna have to put tires on the car and all. So yeah, it's about to be my project, man. But first, we're gonna stop over here and see do we got all the parts first before we say we got the car, we got the parts. You feel me? Cause I know I sent some of the boys over to get parts off the car, but I think they got parts from the motor and probably a fender or something like that. You feel me? But everything else still there. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. If the lights ain't on the car, they inside the car. So I'm thinking all the lights there and all the windows there. That's all he need. Once he take all that stuff right there out, then he could go jump the car for real. You feel me? And get money back again. I could have just sold the windows, but I ain't know, they just let the man get the car, man, and let him do what he need to do. Let him join the car my way, and that's just it. You feel me? That's just how we gonna carry the project, man. But yeah, for all my newcomers, man, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. And all my subscribers, I appreciate all the love and support, man. Y'all already know, man, we going crazy this year, man. We going crazy, man. We trying to run the numbers up, man. We trying to run the numbers up bad. So y'all already know we going crazy. I'm talking about video after video, bill after bill. I'm like, we going crazy, man. I'm telling you, we going so crazy, man. They jocking my style already. I ain't even dropped my car for real, for real. I just showed y'all a sneak peek. You feel me? They jocking my style already. But yeah, bro, we going up, bro. We going up. As y'all see, man, you know, I let the camera see it first. Go ahead, drop it, then we become #1 every time. You feel me? That's it, bro. We gonna stay #1. You feel me? We're gonna continue being #1. We're gonna continue to make things happen. We're gonna continue to make moves. You feel me? That's all we do. We make moves, man. While people are sleeping, man, we up making moves, bro. I don't care what time it is, man. We up making moves. I don't care if I'm up just thinking. I'm always ahead, bro. Cause y'all sleep. Y'all sleep, bro. Y'all sleep, man. Y'all sleep right now. It's 5:30 right now. You feel me? Come on, bro. Y'all sleep. I stay up. I don't sleep. I can't sleep. You feel me? That's what's going on with me, bro. But yeah, man. For all my newcomers, man, make sure you like the channel, man. Make sure you subscribe, man. Pass the word. Cause we going all the way up, man. This is the time you want to join the Make Move game, man. Cause we going all the way up this year, man. For all my newcomers, man, y'all got to join the family, man. I'm telling you, got to, you got to. But yeah, man, for all my subscribers, man, I appreciate all the love and support, man. I'm about to head to the car right now. Once I get to Iron Man, I'm gonna tune back in, man. I'm gonna tune back in, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see could we make this sale or not. Cause like right now, it's a price tag on Iron Man head. You feel me? So if the man said he wanted the car, Iron Man's gone. So that's one car gone. You feel me? Will I be replacing that car? I don't know right now. Probably no time soon, man. Probably no time soon, because right now I'm trying to get all these cars out. I'm trying to get them built and get them up and going. Get them up and going. So I don't know how this jump about to fall. You feel me? Now right now I got 3-4 cars, and Shaw's doing different things to them right now. As y'all see, I got the bubble coming out. I only mentioned about the bubble, but yeah, that bubble about to drop. Eddie on his way home. The Finn coming home. Who else I got out there? Oh, I got my Mustang out there. My 1500 at the shop. You feel me? Come on, bro. I'm working, man. I'm working while y'all playing. I'm working. Yo, I ain't even gonna talk y'all head off, man. Once I get to the car, man, I'm gonna tune back in. I'm gonna tune back in, man. So y'all can see what I got going on. And we pray to God we make the sale, man. We make the sale, man. Unless we gotta kick out, you feel me? For real. We need to make this sale, though. We definitely need to make this sale. Yep, so we're gonna get these pictures, we're gonna send them over to a man and see do he want them. See do he want the car. That's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna tune back in. I get back, I bet. Man, I just pulled up to the car, man. Just pulled up to him. I'm about to show y'all what we got, man. Hold on, let me show y'all what I got. Alright, so far I see the tail lights. I got the tail lights, I got the windows. I got see-do I have the front lights. I don't see the front lights. I'm praying they in the car. I'm praying they in the car. Yep, look like they in the car. Yep. They in the car. I got everything. So So let me show y'all what I got. I seen in the picture he needed to tell like, but I think his lights are different from mine. Let me see, I gotta check. Let me check to see his lights. Hold on. Yeah, it got the same tail lights, so the tail lights good. The back window good, no cracks. The side windows good, no cracks. No cracks in here. It got one headlight right there, and the corner piece up there. All the lights and stuff inside the car. See, I'm taking all this out. All this right here going inside my car right here. Taking all the seats and everything out going inside my car. All the door counters, everything coming out, put in my car. So we got the back window. We got the front window right here, no cracks. Got the mirrors. Got the mirrors. Got all that coming out, going in my car. Got to take the carpet out and everything, going in my car, everything. So I got the windshield, still good. I'm glad he don't need no front paws, cause I ain't got none. The boy took all the front paws. They took all the front paws, so I'm about to get this out of here. Gotta get this. That's how that can go right there. I gotta see what the key is. Find the keys so we can put the car in neutral. So I'm thinking all the lights and stuff in the car. Yep. Hey, I got a what size tire? This is a 28-inch tire right here. Where that tire come from? That's a 28 tire right there. I don't know where that tire come from. I think the key in here. I ain't going too far here. I gotta pull that out. Alright, that's a whole 28. I don't know where that don't come from. Alright, there go the other part right there. That's another light on in there. There go one corner piece right there. And I think the other in the trunk. Yep. I got everything, yo. That's everything he need right there. I'm gonna put the tires up there. I got some tires I'll put on it. But yeah. Going straight, my boy. Okay, here you go. Another Crown Vic come to you. That's it right there, y'all. I want to take the motor out, but I'm gonna just go ahead and let him have it in. Give him the whole car, yo. I'll give him the whole car. But yeah, I gotta get out here, man. They make too much noise. Yeah, man. So that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna go ahead and set him the whole car, get the car out my way, man. Then Pop get his car out the way. Then we gonna have a whole lot of space over here. A lot of space, man. A lot of space. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, man. That's the movie right there, man. Y'all already see that black interior gonna be in my car, man. Cause my car had gray interior first. I'm praying to God I can take the dash and all this stuff. I want all black in my car. I want black in my car. So I'm praying I can take all that out. I know I can, I just gotta have the time to do it, you see what I'm saying? So I gotta have the time to do it, take everything out. So just get me some help and we're gonna knock that out real fast. But yeah, man, that's it right there. So I'm gonna get on this car right here probably later today or tomorrow, man. Go ahead and snatch the interior out, man. So y'all stay tuned for that video, man, cause we definitely gonna record all that, cause this right here might be crazy, man. I'm gonna put some smoke or something in there to run the bugs and the snakes and stuff. Make sure ain't no snakes and stuff in there, cause I ain't got time to be playing nobody bugs and stuff, man. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do right there. We're gonna take it from there, man, and Get things moving. Get things moving, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I'll catch y'all next video. All right, bet.